Hello and welcome to my new video in the ServiceNow item course. So far, we have covered core infrastructures like CMDB, discovery, service mapping, and event management. Now we are stepping into the cloud management, a major part of modern IT operations. As more organizations move to hybrid and multi-cloud environments, it's critical to have unified visibility and control across all clouds platforms. This video gives you a foundational understanding of how ServiceNow helps manage cloud infrastructure seamlessly. We will explore types of cloud, benefits of ServiceNow cloud management, key feature, cloud resource management. Let's dive in. Understanding the types of cloud is essential before diving into how to manage them. Public cloud. Service offered over the internet by providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. These are scalable and widely used for agility. Private cloud. Infrastructures dedicated to one organization, either on-prem or hosted, offers more control and security. Hybrid cloud, a mix of public and private environments, enabling flexibility and cost optimization. Multiple cloud, using multiple public cloud providers for different services or backup purposes. ServiceNow Cloud Management supports all these models, offering a centralized control panel no matter your architecture. Benefits of ServiceNow Cloud Management. Cloud management in ServiceNow brings several key advantages. Unified management, control all your cloud environments, public, private, and hybrid from one place. Cost optimization, track usage and spending across all platforms to avoid over provisioning or reduce cloud waste. Governance and compliance, enforce policies for provisioning access and usage to meet organizational standards. Accelerated delivery, user can request cloud resources through the service catalog, which automates approvals and provisioning. With ServiceNow, your cloud operations become smarter, faster, and more controlled. Cloud management features. Let's look at the core feature that make ServiceNow cloud management powerful. Resource provisioning. Automated deployment of VMs, containers, and storage from the catalog. Policy enforcement, set limits and approval workflows to maintain governance over resource usage. Cloud discovery, automatically identify and map cloud resources for full visibility in the CMDB. Tag management, organize and track cloud assets using tags for better control and reporting. This feature ensures your teams can innovate quickly without compromising control or visibility. Cloud resource management. Managing cloud resource effectively is the key performance and cost efficiency. Inventory tracking. Maintain a real-time view of all deployed assets across clouds. Scaling and deprovisioning. Scale resources up or down based on demand and decomposition unused assets to save costs. Service catalog integration. Offer unified templates for different workloads, making self-service fast and safe. CMDB integration. All provisioned cloud resources are mapped to the CMDB for accurate service mapping and event correlation. With ServiceNow, your cloud infrastructure becomes predictable, manageable, and cost effective. That wraps up our introduction to the cloud management services. We covered the major cloud types, why ServiceNow add value to cloud operations, key features of cloud management platform, and how to manage cloud resources efficiently. In the next video, we will dive deeper into the cloud integration with providers like AWS and Azure, including provisioning, scaling, and cost reporting. Thanks for joining and get ready to make your cloud game to the next level.